This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the second annual Purge, sanctioned on the 22nd of June. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the Purge. All other weapons are restricted. 6mm marshals have been granted immunity from the Purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 6 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until 4 p.m. when the Purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and 6mm, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm at 6mm Airsoft once again. However, it's a new interesting event on the channel, the Purge. This game was pure chaos. Alliances were made, alliances were broken, teams were merged, and some teams were separated. It was a great day overall. Interesting characters within the teams made the day better. Also, with around 260 plus players, the battles against teams were great and fun to experience. However, the day began with 33 teams. Some small and some were large. The biggest was orange at the start of the day, however that was to change. As it goes, do not trust anyone in the Purge, not even allies.
Oh, we can swap spit if you want to take off your mask.
I'll shake on it as well for you. Alright. Loyalty.
Yeah.
Not orange are friendly.
Orange aren't, they've just killed us. My gun's not loaded, I'm playing the humanity.
We're getting shot from the left! Push left side! Moving through. Where do you boys want me?
On the left! Shall we push up to the road? Push up to the road.
Watch that left as well. What team? Oh. Fuck, low team. Watch that right. Voices.
Get the cover on the road for a minute. Keep cover on that side, both sides.
Yeah, there's 2 alive. You guys want to push it? Alright, fuck it, let's push up. Got one. He's in the bush on the right. There's one in the bush on the right. Alright, they're both down. Get the tokens. Go, 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 go. Got him. On the right. There's a guy on the right, there's a guy on the right. Push up, push up. Hit! How many? Yeah. Somewhere over there. Got him, he was in the bush. Right, are you right with coming here or? Yeah. What band are you? Oh, I bet. Yeah, just want to grab your token. Nice hiding spot.
You with the orange boys, yeah?
Yeah, we're got an alliance going.
I had like 5 of you down there.
Nice one. You bled out? Come here. Oh, okay.
You don't want to medic me back in, do you?
If you want to pay 2 tokens.
I can give you support. I lost my boys straight at the start, so I've helped a green and white and another team.
Should we get another alliance going or?
I'm good at. Oh, I picked loads of you guys off, so.
Yeah. Yeah, true. If you're down.
The boys already told me they were going to trade me anyway.
If you want to give me tokens, I'll get you in. I'll only take 1 token. No, I'm joking, it's 2 now. Yeah, it's a sniper, I believe, or DMR. Oh, right here? No, I don't think so. Movement. I don't trust him. We've got about 42 players. That's the alliance wise. Yeah. Yeah, we've got 12, the orange has got about 30.
I'm going to dig back in my bush then.
Gotcha. Yeah, they're our team, they're our team. Oh, they're our team, they're our team. Yeah. So we've conscripted him.
I'm assistance. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, it's orange and red.
It's red's all ahead of you, mate. I'm going to get my spirit.
He's hit. Alright, one's dead. Yep, come here, come here. Oh, there's no mercenary. Mercenary, come here. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's 6 shots. Yeah, go for it. Okay, let's move. There's some people not taking hits, literally down earlier. Apparently one person was behind a crate, took about 2 BBs to that, and other people saw it. Took 2 BBs from me and then didn't call it. Alright. We need... Yeah, I see him. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you get him, you got him.
There's no way I haven't shot you. Are you dead? Oh, okay. Well, I didn't hear you, my bad. What team are you? Blue, can you, are you, oh. I was gonna say, are you able to come to us, but never mind. We need to grab his token. The blues. Come here. Are you down to risk your life to get the blues token? I've just shot him.
Yes.
Right, gotcha. He's down on the left there. I'll have you covered if you do die. That's his token to keep. Oh, he's got it. Nice one. Ceasefire! Mine. Literally. Fair enough.
I've never seen them individually.
Literally, they're all in a massive, like.
They all seem to die as a massive group.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to do them any favours. Glorious death.
Alright, let's keep moving that way then. Not what we could do. Put a black band between the two and then that will signify.
That we're part of it.
Yeah.
That we are also a communist republic.
Yeah.
That's it, you're part of the
We're just a different militia. We're two different militia groups.
All fighting for the same
Yep.
goal. To unify Staffordshire into the communist
Guys,
Muslim
they can
regime.
respawn on a marshal and there's a marshal there, so let's just...
No, they're not. No, they're not. No, you're not respawning there. I'm keeping my gun aimed. I don't trust them. Huh? Yeah, I know, that's why. I'm still pointing at you. Are you dead?
Really, he's a streaker, isn't he? He's just getting ready. Too long.
Right. We could have got a lot of tokens, could have let them respawn and then just blast them. Let's keep moving. Just be careful of that blues over there because Marshall's alone with him, so. Oh shit. Wait, so.
What you're going to do though is take that north.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to
Oh,
right.
I thought that was snapped off for a sec because it looked like that. I was like, hold on a minute. Super glue can fix it. Blue. Hey, shoot him. Someone shoot him. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him, he's blue! That guy wasn't. Are you guys on a pilgrim? Oh.
Fucking people everywhere, so every time we get to Marshall they go, you can
Right. Hold on, come here, all of you. I'll make a deal with you all. All of us do a truce, you guys walk off, I'll medic all of you. As long as we have a truce and you guys walk off. Yeah, but he's dead. Yeah, I'll medic you. I was offering him a medic, but okay, never mind. I guess they could keep walking around. Kid, I legit said to them, I'll medic you, we'll do a truce, you guys walk off. Oh, we have a medic here though. He's dead.
We'll set up a checkpoint on the bridge. Yeah, at the end of the bridge. Yeah.
Where's bridge? Could do.
It isn't really a bridge.
Yeah. Just be careful, some of them may be alive, some of them may be dead. These colours then, and then just put a black man around it.
Well, we're going. Alright then.
Because we're joining.
They're bringing orange down. Because they've got loads of orange.
Yeah, we're better off just joining. Everyone just going to the orange. So if you guys just cover your reds. Or
yeah.
Just push.
Pretty much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it,
like
there will be more
30
parts coming out as I got
oranges.
6 hours of footage to break down. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also have a great day or night.
Yeah. Do we have black colours? Black colours? I mean black.
We'll make our new